Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.2 on Rocky Linux 9. But the process is same on all Rocky Linux 9 versions. Okay, so first open any web browser, go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL is the world's most advanced open source relational database. Click on download, click on Linux, then click on Red Hat, Rocky or Alma Linux. Click on it. See here, the PostgreSQL M repository currently supports on RHL, Rocky Linux, Alma Linux, CentOS, Oracle Linux and Fedora. Okay, scroll down and select the version. See here, we have the versions from 13 to 17. Okay, and select the platform. Select RHL, Rocky, Alma or Oracle version 9. Select it, and once we selected, see it has populated list of the commands to install PostgreSQL on Rocky Linux. So we have to run these commands one by one to install the PostgreSQL 17.2. Okay, so open terminal. First install this PostgreSQL RPM repository. Paste it, hit enter, then provide the password. It is done. Now disable the built-in PostgreSQL module. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Ctrl L. Now install the PostgreSQL. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 17-server. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 17.2 and also it is going to install these dependencies. Okay, so type Y and hit enter. Again type Y. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL 17 on Rocky Linux. Now we have to initialize the database. Copy this command. Ctrl L, paste it, hit enter. Now verify the status of PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17.service. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL is installed but it is not started and disabled. So we have to enable and start the PostgreSQL service on Rocky Linux. Sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL -service. Hit enter. Now start the PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl, just give start instead of enable. Now verify. See, PostgreSQL service is active and running and it is enabled. Q to quit, control, and also notice here, these are the list of the backend services for the PostgreSQL server, and this is the data directory. Okay, Control L. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. PSQL is the PostgreSQL client. Okay, and this is the version of the PostgreSQL client version, but not the PostgreSQL server version. So to verify PostgreSQL server version, we have to run the select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.2. Control A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for the Postgres user, which is the super user. So verify list of users /du. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is super user. So set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide new password for this user. We have successfully set the password. Now verify list of databases /l. Enter. See, these are the list of the databases comes with PostgreSQL installation. Now create a database by running the command create database arctoscopes. Hit enter. Verify again. See, we have these databases. Now switch to this new database and create objects. See, we are now connected to database PostgreSQL as user Postgres. So create a table. Let us verify. See, we have one table. See, we have just created this table. Okay, let us insert some data into this table. Verify the data. See, we have this data. Okay, now create a user. Create user. Verify again. See, we have new user. To exit from this PSQL shell, we have to use the \q. Now connect to PostgreSQL with this new user. PSQL-u James. Then provide the database name. Database name. Then -h localhost. H means host name. Then provide the password of this user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the user, current user. See, we have connected with the user James. Try to create a table with this user. Create table. See, we are unable to create because permission denied in the public schema. Why? Because this user doesn't have the permission. So to grant or revoke privileges, there is a video in my channel. You can go through it and you can grant and revoke permissions. Okay, exit with this user. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL service on Rocky Linux. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify. See, PostgreSQL service is stopped. Also we can verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL. PSQL. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, so start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. You cannot start with Postgres user. That's why it is asking. So exit from this Postgres user. Then run the same. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service is started. And the last one is how to restart PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL -17. Hit enter. It is done. Now connect to PostgreSQL. Sudo su -postgres PSQL. Now we will see list of config file locations and data and log directory location. By running the command show config_file. You see, this is the configuration file name and it is located in this directory. Okay, and in the same way, if you want, this file contains PostgreSQL server configuration information. If you want to see the hba.conf file location, give show _hba file. See, hba means host based authentication, and to find the log directory, just give show log directory. See, this is the log directory, and in the same way, if you want to find the data directory, show data_directory. Until now, we have performed actions by using PSQL client. You can also connect PostgreSQL by using PgAdmin. You can download the PgAdmin by going to pgadmin.org. I have made a video how to download and install PgAdmin on Rocky Linux. You can go through the video description. There you can see how to install PgAdmin for. Then click on download. Then select RPM. Then we have to run these commands one by one. Okay, this is the way to download. Then we have to open and we have to create the connection. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.2 on Rocky Linux 9. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.